This is going on in El Paso, Texas. Hail! Look at all that hail.
Oh my god, look at the backyard. It's like a freaking...
In the front yard, it's worse. Hold on. Show us how big the hail is. Look at this. This is completely ice. See that? So it's not even snow. It's just like the size of a golf ball. Look at this. So you can hear the banging. Oh gosh. Look at all of that rain. What's up there? Look at that. Look at all of that rain flooding the backyard. There's a sample of the hail in the sink. This is absolutely crazy, guys. Jeepers creepers, dude. I don't know why I said that, dude. It's slippery. So then again, oh shoot, it already melted? Where is it? Oh shoot, here it is. This is what's raining or pouring from outside.
Well, yeah, it's a ball of ice.
Wow, that's cool. Maybe we'll get good stuff from.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness gracious. Hold on. Wow. The rain is shooting hoops through our basketball hoops. That was a dumb joke. Bye guys.